everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two colors from Nellie Belle's, and I'm really excited to create a fun gingerbread mani. So the first color here, it's a beautiful jade color, and it is called Better Be Wearing Jade, and it is the perfect jade color, and I like it. It's not like your normal Christmassy green. It's super fun, and it also glows in the dark. And then this one has to be my favorite here. It is called Not the Gumdrop Buttons. It's a beautiful, chunky, fine glitter mix. It's more of a brown base, and then it has some gorgeous reflective glitters in there, and you can see there it shifts and it's just beautiful, and it's giving me all those gingerbread vibes. So pretty. I cannot get over this glitter. It will pair with so many awesome things, especially in the summer, with some like neon colors as well. So we are going to be doing the gel method, and I am going to be doing press-ons today. And we're going to start off by using that beautiful jade green. Now I know my upload schedule has been a little bit different. It's been about over a week since I posted a video. So I ended up having a medical emergency. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been in the hospital for over a month, and I ended up having an emergency, and I did have the baby. So we will jump into that in a future video with some more details, and I'll update you on that. But this mani I already did prior to all that happening, and I really wanted to get this up for you because I just love how this mani turned out. You will see it here. It is like the perfect gingerbread mani. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into this dipping process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. Alright, so I want to go ahead and apply some more glitter to this nail, but instead of dipping this nail directly into the cupcake liner, after I place the gel base, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush. It's the same eyeshadow brush that I use for any like nail ombres or anything like that. And using this brush and this method is allowing me to pick up those smaller, finer glitters. And then I'm going to get a nice, even, flat surface. I find out that this way works a lot better when you're working with a fine, chunky glitter mix. And the look I was going for, I really wanted some more of that bling to this nail, and I wanted to add extra of those fine, reflective glitters. And then after that, you can go ahead and place any of the larger glitters after you cue it for 30 seconds. Again, if you struggle with glitter in your nails too bulky or anything like that, or even if you're spending too much time filing, try this way because this will help reduce some of that bulkiness. And it's just a little trick that I like using. And then I'll gently go ahead and press down those gorgeous glitters. And then we will go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. So this is what it looks like with just the fine glitter. And now we're going to go ahead and place some gel on them as well after we dust them off. And then we can go ahead and hand place some of those chunkier glitters. Now, if you like the nail as is, that's the beauty of doing your nails at home. You can add chunky glitter or fine glitter, whatever your heart's desire when you're creating your own manis at home. All right, so we're going to continue this, and then we're going to add some fun glitter to that jade nail to make it into like a whole gingerbread mani. And you will see here how that turns out in just a minute, and I'll pop back in a few moments. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add some accent glitter to the jade nails. And I'm going to stick with the glitters, mostly the green and the red, to kind of tie this mani in all together. And I'm going to place these glitters just on the free edge of the cuticle area only. I just really like how that looked. It just gave it a little bit more of that gingerbready house vibe that I was going for. And I'm only going to show you how I place the glitters on this one nail only, so we're not sitting here forever watching me hand place glitters. Even though hand placing glitters is super fun and it's kind of like my new thing, I just find it super relaxing when I'm doing the gel method and hand placing the glitters. So this is what it looks like on the rest of the 3 nails, and I really like that color combination. That jade is unreal, and it also glows in the dark, if I forgot to mention that before, and I really like that glitter. There is just something about the gumdrop glitter that is just not your normal like holiday color glitter that you normally see. I really like that brown base, and the name is perfect, not the Gumdrop Buttons. I think it's the cutest name ever, and I really liked how the chunky glitter applied. It applied super flat to the nail, and even these little ones when I hand placed them are super flat to the nail as well, and very pigmented, these powders. I'm very impressed with these 2 colors, and I can't wait to share more Nellie Belle's manis with you, and I'm super excited to announce that I am part of her ambassador team. So that is something that happened a few weeks ago, and I'm super honored to be part of such talented team, and all the other ambassadors create such awesome manis. So definitely check out their Instagram pages as well. I will link all the Facebook information for Nellie Belle's in the description box below. But how pretty is this mani? I think it's the perfect gingerbread vibe mani, and I really like how it turned out. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below. And if these colors aren't your cup of tea, there are tons of other colors that Nellie Belle has to offer, so definitely check that out because there's some amazing new holiday colors that just came out. And stay tuned, we will do another video that's already pre-recorded, and then I will fill you in on my life update, and we'll do a special mani for that. So I'll see you in the next upload.